Tamenglong Mahu Road 80% loisinba adugi manungda package 1 na 80% loisinkre, package 2 na 92%, package 3 90%, package 4 90%, package 5 na 70%, aduga package 6 na 78% loisinkre. Hauzik nongju tha lakadoriba matam khajikta ngairingai asida lambi nauna kakkadauba sing kakhaudradi lambi asi loisingadaba matamda loiba ngam loidabagi fibamda leiri. Khangjinba yai Manipurda khwaidagi sangba thong barak turen semgadori. Thong asi 225 meter sangani. Masigi thong asi pillar taret laigadabagi manungda mangadi semba loigadore. Thajaba yaba paugi matung ina Tamenglong Mahu Road asi April 2025 ki mamangda loina loi ba yai adubu Manipur gi portion asi apanba laterbadi kumsi Christmas ki mamangda car fauba jiri turen fau chatpa yaragani haina thajaba leire. Indigenous Women and Children Foundation amadi Ringbam Lu Chujang Form na sinduna International Women's Day Invest in Women Accelerate Progress haiba theme da March 8, 2024 da Unity Stadium Tamenglong Ward number 8 ta pangthokhi. International Women's Day thoram aduda Kachamthai Phaiga Gengmai MCS CEO ADC Tamenglong na Chief Guest amadi TP Ihulu Co-founder amadi Principal Christian Heritage Institute Tamenglong na Special Guest oina saruk yabikhi. Chief Guest CEO Tamenglong na nupi nupa khaidana angang singda mahei tamhanbinaba haijakhi. Nupi singbu samasta hanthana khanbagi matamdu natre ekhoi amata ni haiba wakhalon asi mayamna laigadabani haina phongdokhi. Ekhoi nupi nupa asi chandi amagi lamai ani gumbani imung amani society da responsibility chap manana puba darkar tai. Thoido hendokna tiliba nupi singbu electoral politics ta thawai yobi nabasu pungning thogat pikhi. Aroi bada mahakna single women, widows, separated women, marginalized women sing sahi nifu henba singi damak Manipur government na scheme anauba ima nongthang laima yaifa tengbang scheme launch tawkhre khudong chaba lobiu haina phongdokhi. Special guest TP Ihuluna nupi singbu khudong chaba ngaidana akhoi right ki damak fight tawsi haina haikhi. Mahakna theme da iriba invest in women accelerate progress haiba asigi matangda takpikhi. Samasta nupi nupa chap manana leiba asi akhoi singi maru oibani. Village authority amadi church singnasu nupi singbu leadership role hena pibinabasu haikhi. Government of India na nupi singbu awangba thakta pukhatpinaba Stand Up India, Skill India Mission, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Save the Girl, Educate the Girl gi makhada scheme kaya pibiduna leiri haina phongdokhi. Nupi singbu ngakpinaba One Stop Center akhoi gi district tasu function fajana tauri. Karigumba nupi sing awabada taradi 24/7 Women Helpline number 181 da dial toba yagani haikhi. Thoidok hendokna nupi singbu financial amadi entrepreneurship da mateng piba scheme Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana sina chingba singsu pibiri haikhi. International Women's Day 2024 numit aduda traditional dance competition volleyball match wat kayaga competition tawkhi. All Naga Doctors Forum Manipur amadi All Jalengrong Medicos Union na khusamnaduna Tausem PSC Tausem Subdivision Headquarter da Free Mega Health Camp 9 March 2024 da chatakre. Health Camp aduda anaba chamanga mukpu layeng biki camp aduda NCD screening, ECG, oral, breast amadi cervical cancer screening yauna free basic lab test tawbikhi. Free Mega Health Camp chatakhibabu Tausem Village Authority Student Union Tausem Headquarter na All Nagas Doctors Forum Manipur amadi All Jalengrong Medicos Union bu ngamkhai leitana thagatpa phongdokhi.